Fun.
Yeah, you know, you came back and you told us about it. No, what we're talking about today is the grand opening of the Sea Life Michigan Aquarium, and it is the state's largest aquarium with more than 5,000 creatures, 150,000 gallons of water. You've already been there, though. You've been inside.
It was so much fun. Yeah, we were telling you earlier that Erin, Nicole, and I got to check it out before it opened to the public earlier this week, and as you're going to see, it did not disappoint. This is such an odd sensation.
Look.
You know? Look at the striped one.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like purple.
This is so cool. Oh, there's a stingray. Isn't that neat?
Wow.
Look at that. He's like right over us. Oh, isn't that wild?
Oh, there's a hammerhead over there.
That is wild. Oh, there's a big one.
Oh my gosh.
This is so cool.
You see that? You see that? Oh, there's more over here too.
So I hear you get to, you know, get hands-on.
I just hope there's no sharks in here.
Oh no, you want sharks.
I don't want any sharks by my feet. Hi, Lily. You took off without us.
Did you see something? Check it out. Hi. What's up?
All right, so what do we have?
Cool stuff.
Oh man.
So don't be shy because nothing in here is going to hurt you. You get these guys are like a nice little straight. So this is like armor that they have all over them.
Oh man.
It is.
Yeah,
It has
so
no
cool.
protection.
Okay.
What will happen is sharks and stuff will try and eat those out of the gravel.
Right.
And the armor will help them sort of defense against that.
And these are like red and white striped shrimp.
Yeah, so you found our cleaner shrimp. These are like the natural cleaners of the
Oh, wow.
Do they let you pick them up or no?
What you need to do with these is just gently put your hands near them. And what these guys do in the wild...
Oh, he started swimming at me.
Well, what they'll do in the wild is
Tried to like climb right up my hand.
they'll clean all the...
Oh, that's the ones that you said they do?
Yeah, so...
Oh wait, I'm gonna get a marine Manny here.
Oh, no.
So you can get a nice manicure. So that's it. Keep your hand nice and still. They'll come up to you.
Who knew this would be like a tour and a manicure? I love this.
And we don't charge extra.
Very
so nice of you.
We just stop at letting people put their feet in. But
Okay,
Right.
that's where you draw the line. No
There's
feet.
no massage
Yeah.
chairs for us to sit and take our shoes off.
Well, I hear we get to feed sharks. Is this true?
you do. You can feed the sharks and the rays. So you can see how they feed, what we feed them. It's all really cool. Really cool.
We have
I'm
to do
excited.
this.
Let's go check that.
All right,
All
let's
right,
do this
thanks,
thing.
Lucy. Let's go. So Lucy's going to show us how to feed the fish. We've got the stingrays, the eel, and also some sharks that need to be fed. Although you said the sharks ate yesterday, so they might not be hungry.
Yeah, they're binge eaters, so they'll eat a lot for a few days and then not eat a couple. So we'll see, but they might be a bit hungry. The rays are definitely hungry.
The rays are always hungry, and the
Always
eel
greedy.
is always hungry.
Let's do this
So
thing.
show us what we need to do.
Okay, so we have squid today.
Okay.
So nice and soft. We've taken the beak out the squid, so
Why is
it's not
that?
going to hurt anyone.
They're not alive anymore, right?
No, these aren't alive. So these are sustainably caught squid. So
Okay.
that's good. So I'm just going to put it on the end of the pole. This is just a zip tie, waving around there. So it's not sharp or anything like that.
So you're gonna tie up the squid.
I'm just going to poke it right through.
Almost
Okay.
like if you were fishing.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you fish, Erin?
No, I've tried a few
Good answer.
times and it was always unsuccessful.
I'm not surprised
You
by
fish.
that.
Okay, so I'll show you how to do it.
We'll see if I can hook one.
So what we're going to do, see this guy coming around here?
Okay,
I'm
the
gonna
big
put it-
stingray? Or which guy?
I'm just going to wait for a big stingray to come round. The eel's getting kind of greedy.
The
And
eel
then
is greedy.
just put it on the ground for them. Oh, well, let's feed the eel.
Oh,
there we go.
got it.
There you
got
go. All right, Alicia, your turn.
I think it just like skewered him in the worst way. Okay. All right, that didn't work. But
I don't think they're picky how they get their food delivered.
They're not. Okay, so let's go for some of these
I want
rays.
to feed the big. Oh wait. Oh wait.
He's
It's
right
okay,
there.
You can go for it.
Straight down, right?
Come here, buddy. Oh, they're fighting.
Bundle. Okay, you got it. Great job.
All right.
Should we?
No dessert. Sorry, we gotta go.
Who's blowing you kisses? All right.
We're at the end. That was so much fun.
We came, we saw, we have
Good
done.
job. We fed fish.
Sea Life Michigan
Lily, did you
Aquarium.
have fun?
Lily had a
Can you clap if you had fun? Yay! Thank you, Sea Life Michigan Aquarium, for having us. Can't wait to come back. I know this one can't wait. We gotta go. Can you say bye-bye to all the fish? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
We had a blast. blast. I mean, we really did have a lot of fun.
Looked like a lot of fun.
And that was Erin's mother, Debbie Broly, with us as well. That's why, you know, you didn't see Lily in every shot. She was being cared for.
Yeah, she wasn't just
We
wandering
promise.
around.
Yeah.
So what was your favorite part?
You know what? I think seeing that eel, Maurice, you know, chow down, man, he was always trying to get the food, all that squid. He just had this great expression about him. And you also get to see them play with this octopus. We didn't get that on camera, but there's so many things we didn't even have time to show you that you can check out there. But the hands-on stuff's the best.
So look for Maurice, who gives great facial expressions. Is that what you're saying? The
Don't
eel?
mess with Maurice,
Don't
the
mess with-
moray eel.
All right. Well, you can check out Sea Life Michigan. Sea Life Michigan. It's Sea Life Michigan Aquarium. Opens today from 10 to 9. Tickets $23.50 for adults, $18.50 for kids, 3 to 12. You can buy an annual pass for $60 each, or a family pass for $230.
Definitely a fun place to go. So
That's a family of 4.
definitely. All right.